Symptoms of bad alternator. If you've heard the word alternator before, you certainly already know that it's an important component of your car. But what does an alternator actually do? Simply put, your alternator keeps your car's battery charged, allowing you to start your vehicle and operate electronic features like the radio and headlights. You might discover that your car won't start or run for more than a few minutes if you have alternator issues. But before that happens, you'll probably notice one or more of these 7 alternator failure symptoms. So let's get down to it. 1. Dead battery. After a few years of use, a battery may simply be dead, or it may have reached the end of its useful life. On the other hand, you may have accidentally kept the headlights on all night. A dead battery can sometimes suggest a problem with your alternator, though. 2. Difficult or slow equipment in the car. Equipment that operates slowly or not at all are frequently a sign that your alternator isn't providing enough power to your car's electronics. 3. Very dim light. Your electronic devices get uneven voltage when an alternator starts to fail. Usually that appears as equipment that performs too little or too much, like headlights that are either overly bright or too dim. In addition, you can notice lights that irregularly flicker or go from bright to dim to vice versa. 4. Issue with starting or regular stalling. As was previously noted, difficulty starting your engine could indicate that the battery is not being charged by your alternator. This means that you won't hear your engine purr when you turn the key in the ignition. Instead, you'll only hear a clicking sound. Before we continue delving into the world of diagnosing symptoms of a bad alternator, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Hit that subscribe button right now so you won't miss any of our upcoming automotive tips and troubleshooting guides. So let's continue. 5. Whining or growling noises. There are many strange noises that cars produce. Some are harmless, while others may be signs of major technical issues. An expert should be consulted as soon as possible if you notice any growling or whining noises coming from below the hood. 6. Warning light for battery on dashboard. Many times when the battery warning light appears on the dashboard, people assume that the problem is specific to the battery. On the other hand, the battery warning light indicates that there might be an issue with your car's whole electrical system, including the alternator. 7. Burning rubber or wires smell. Your alternator may be beginning to wear out parts if it smells bad, like burned rubber or wires. The driving belt of the alternator can eventually break down and release an unpleasant burning rubber smell because it is always under tension and friction and is near the hot engine. In summary, recognizing the symptoms of a bad alternator is crucial for maintaining a healthy electrical system in your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with fellow car enthusiasts who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Thanks for watching and keep your vehicle running smoothly.